Dreaming is one of those universal experiences that's so common yet feels completely otherworldly. Think about it. Every night when we close our eyes, our minds take us on a journey that can be nonsensical, vivid, or even terrifying. What's so curious is that everyone dreams, even if some people say they don't remember theirs. It's a shared phenomenon across humanity, but what it means and why it happens still isn't fully understood. One thing I've always wondered is why our dreams seem to pull from such random parts of our lives. Sometimes it's your closest relationships, other times it's something you saw in passing on a Tuesday afternoon years ago. And then there are those dreams that feel like they came out of nowhere, places you've never been, people you've never met. Is it just your brain processing memories, or is it digging into your subconscious, showing you pieces of yourself you don't fully understand yet? People often say that dreams reflect our ambitions or fears, and sometimes that's true. There's the classic example of someone dreaming about standing on stage, achieving their biggest goal. But just as often, dreams can feel completely disconnected from what you care about in your waking life. Maybe you're dreaming about flying over a city or trying to solve a puzzle that makes no sense, or for some reason running late to an exam you finished years ago. It's like our brains have a to-do list, and instead of sticking to it, they decide to freewheel through whatever they want. And why do we dream in the first place? Scientists have theories, of course. Some say it's our brain's way of organizing thoughts, filing away memories, and making sense of emotions. Others think dreams are like a mental rehearsal, preparing us for real-life challenges by running simulations in our heads. But there's still so much mystery around it. For example, why are some dreams so vivid they stay with you for days, while others vanish the second you wake up? Lucid dreaming is another layer to this. It's when you become aware that you're dreaming and can even start to control the dream itself. The idea that you could rewrite the narrative while you're still asleep is wild. Some people practice techniques to make it happen more often, seeing it as a way to explore their minds or confront fears in a safe environment. But even without that level of control, isn't it amazing how immersive dreams can feel? You don't question the logic while you're in them. You're just there, fully present in a world that doesn't exist. There's also this idea that dreaming helps with creativity. Ever heard of someone saying they dreamed up an idea? Some of history's biggest breakthroughs reportedly came from dreams, like the structure of DNA or the melody of a famous song. Maybe that's because when we dream, the usual rules of logic and practicality don't apply. It's pure imagination. What I find most curious is how dreams can be so deeply emotional. A dream can make you feel joy, fear, sadness, sometimes even stronger than real life. Have you ever woken up feeling a certain way and realized it's because of a dream? It's as if our minds are capable of creating entire emotional experiences, completely separate from reality. And of course, there are the dreams that are so strange they leave you scratching your head, like why do we all have those falling dreams? Or the ones where you're running, but it feels like you're moving through water, or teeth falling out. What's up with that one? These universal dream themes almost feel like they're hardwired into us somehow. Then there's the cultural side of dreaming. Some cultures believe dreams are messages from the divine or insights into the future. Others see them as a reflection of your soul or a way to connect with the universe. Even if you're not spiritual, it's interesting to think about how something so personal happening inside your own head could have such big implications. At the end of the day, or night, I guess, dreams are a part of being human. They're a mix of mystery, science, and imagination. They might not always make sense, but maybe that's the point. In a world where we're constantly seeking answers and clarity, dreams remind us that some things don't need to be explained. They're just there, waiting to be experienced.